Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna talk about brand new Mac collection Black Panther. And of course it's Marvel Studio. I'll say it's amazing collection. Look at these colors. It's so hard to find colors like this because like all they looks like red or brown or gold. I understand it's holiday, but this collection, it's so unique. I knew like a lot of people buying because it's collectible items, and like if you don't yet see this movie, it's to die. It's beautiful, it's rich, it's a lot of beautiful color, and I love it. I really like it's a winning award movies, and also it's like American African movie too, means like where they have like this rich color. Okay, we have in this collection 4 lip glosses. I got these testers from Nordstrom. They let me take it and record this video, and of course I create beautiful look just for you. And if you like this look, please give me thumbs up. Stay on my Katya Beauty Style channel because I will show you how I create this look. Okay, we have a first, let's show you swatches, and then I will show you how I create this look. Okay, we have a 4 lip glosses. One, it looks like it's black, another's like purpley, and by the way, I have like amazing purple eyeliner from this collection. Then I have like, it's like a burgundy color and lighter color, and it looks like lip gloss, but when I tried this color on my lips, it's more like a long wearing lipstick. It's so pretty. Okay, let's start with a lighter color, and I will show you on my hand. Yes, I'm kind of starting with lips first. Okay, this is, it's a first color. Look how pretty. It's like a warm brown color. Love this color. And this is color, its name Snow Off, I believe. No, it's it's Snow Off. It's really pretty. This is my favorite color. Then we're going to choose this color. You can see it's much more deeper. It's have like plummy undertone. Again, it's not lip gloss, it's lipstick. It's lipstick. Even like I think this is lip gloss, but it's not. But it's very creamy, it's very rich. I do like this formula a lot. Now I'm gonna put this purple color. Again, it's not me, but you know what, you can mix with any different colors, or like, you know, if you are a makeup artist, it's always good to have color like this, or like if you have a darker skin, it will be looks pretty. And this one looks like it's black, but let's see if it's true black or not. And this darker color, it's named the Shadow. Ooh, black. Okay, this is its 3 colors. Again, this is my favorite and I really like it. It's on me. And now let me show you lipstick, because we have lipstick in this collection too. Okay, this is its lipstick actual on me and with this lip color together. And you know what, let me put just next to. Okay, this is, it's a lighter color in this collection, and it's name Story of Home. Very pretty, but it's like a more cool brown, but together with this lip color, it looks beautiful on me. Second color, which one we're gonna use, and it's, I believe, Dora Milaje. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. It's really beautiful color. Ooh. Or if you see these colors, you like it, please reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and I will help you to buy these items. Again, it's limited edition. Then I have another color. It's Royal Integrity. Like it's a brown rich. Sorry for my swatches. Should buy probably like a tray, but I'll make sure you see it, right? And also look at this lipstick. Look at this. It says Black Panther, Mac. It's so pretty design. And another one they have, it's black here, but it's have a little bit like a purpley like ornament. And on lipstick, look at it's have Black Panther face right here. Yeah, one more color. Oops. It's so pretty. It is pretty. It's number 553. It says deserves this. Ooh, you deserve this. It is pretty color. I love this color. And last color. It is beautiful. I'm gonna put right here. It's like beautiful bright magenta pink. Oh, I love this lip color. It's very pretty. Okay, let me now remove this because I'm gonna show you more. I have two. Oh, you know what? Let me just show you right now. I have two liquid eyeliner. One it's white and another it's purple. And yes, I purchased purple already for me. I do love this. I knew you like, you message me right away. Do not wait because it's selling. It's just crazy how it's selling. And personally, I will show you how I apply. Again, I use this eyeliner on my eyes and absolutely love this color. But I have something I will show you later on how to, I will say, to make more intense this color. Okay, now let's look at this beautiful. First of all, look at this gorgeous packaging. Black, we have purple, we have here like it says Black Panther, Marvel Studio, and I'm not yet sure prices for this product. I'm so sorry, but it's soon. I will list it all items below, or you can go to my Instagram, my link and products, it's there. And again, look at this, so pretty. For me it's a little bit too dark, but I use this as my blush, and I think this is so pretty. If you have a like little bit darker skin, or you have dark skin, this is too dark. But again, to me this is collectible items. It's gorgeous. And we have with you eyeshadow. And I actually use purple, I use gold, I use orange, I use black, and I use this light pink. Yeah, it's already on my eyes, and if you like it, yeah, I will show you how to use this eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow, it's not like powder, it's like more cream powder. Comments below. Give me a thumbs up, love you more than ice cream, and let's do it because it's so pretty. And believe me not, it's not crazy, right?